Exercise 1, I'm asked to know if these 3 points are not aligned. So as I've seen before, what I have to know if the vector Rs and the vector Rt are proportional. So I calculate them, and that is 3 minus 8. I calculate this. This is 13 minus 32. So I compare then coordinates, and that's, well, that's 1/4. This is not. So this is not true. If that's not true, the 3 points are not aligned. They would be a triangle. Okay, exercise 2, they tell me to calculate the value of A, so these 3 points are aligned. So I do the same thing. I calculate Rs, which is 3 minus 8. I calculate RQ, which is now A minus 2, minus 25 minus 7, that's minus 32 again, and I compare them. I compare this to this, and equal to minus 8 divided by minus 32. Now what do I have to do? To calculate this, I have to move what's dividing. I will write it multiplying and the opposite. Okay, to do this, it's easy to do it that way, but if I can see that this can be simplified, if I do it first, it will be simpler. So if I do this, and I get that this can be divided by minus 4, in both by minus 8 in both cases, I get 1/4. So now what I get here is that 12 equals A minus 2. So A is 14. So if A is 14, the 3 points will be aligned, the 2 vectors will be proportional. Exercise 3 is more or less the same, but they tell me to find a relationship between x and y. They're not asking me to calculate what's the value of x and the value of y, because imagine we have here one point A, here one point B, and we have a point P that we don't know. P can be here, can be here, can be here, can be anything. But the thing is that there will have to be any relationship between these two values, so they belong to the same line. Okay, so it's impossible to find the coordinates because you have infinite points that will fulfill this condition, but we still can find it. So what do we have to do? Okay, same thing. Let's write AB, which is 2, 4, if we do the subtraction, and AP. AP, it is x and y minus 1. Now I do the same thing. I compare the components of the vector, and this is like this. If I now move things as usual, this by this by that, 2 times y minus 1, 4 times x. This is 2y minus 2 is 4x. So now I can divide everything by 2. Y minus 1 equals 2x. And here I see that y equals 2x plus 1. So what's this point that I need to calculate? Well, x will be x, but y has to be something that is 2x plus 1. And that's exercise number 3. Now I continue doing exercise number 4. Okay, now I have to calculate the value of t, so the 3 points will be aligned. I have to do the same thing. I calculate AB, and that is 6 minus 13. I calculate AC as if I knew the value of t, and that is t minus 1, and that's 2t minus 2. And now to see if they are aligned, I have to write this. What do I have to do now? Same thing. I multiply this and this, so I get 6 multiplying 2 times t minus 2 equals minus 13 times t minus 1. So that's 12t minus 12 equals minus 13t plus 13, because it's minus by minus. Now I move everything with t to one side, everything without t to the other. It's adding and subtracting, so that's 25t equals, this 12 moves here, adding, so that's 25, so t has to be 1. If t equals 1, then the 3 points will be aligned. And that's all I wanted you to learn before my comeback. I hope you haven't missed me so much.